Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This video is going to explain to you how to make a Google Spreadsheets editable by multiple users. And the first of all, of course, you have to open your Google Sheets on your Android mobile phone. Okay, open the Google Sheets. And then you have to choose the file that you want to share to the multiple users. And I'm going to choose file 3. And on the file 3, the file that you want to share, you have to click this icon. Okay, click this icon. And you have to click share. Click share. Okay. Click share. And you can add people or groups here, guys. You can add here. You can add here. And you have to write the Gmail here. I'm going to add my own Gmail. And you can add 2 or more users here. It's up to you. Gmail.com. Okay. And make sure that you choose editor. Okay, choose editor here. Because this is gonna be some choices, some options for you. You can choose viewer, commenter, or editor. But in order to make your file editable by multiple users, you have to choose editor, okay? And you can also write the message here. It's up to you, blah, blah, blah. Okay? And after that, you can click send. You can click this icon to share your file to multiple users so they can edit the file. Okay, click this icon. And now people has been added to this file after this file has been shared. Okay, you just have to wait for a second, and now people added to this file. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.